Hi guys, hope all of you are doing great. And today we are going to do NCERT solutions. Yes guys, tissues ka this is the 10th part, and today we are going to discuss page number 78 or question number 9, 10 and 11. Okay, very good. Let's see. Yes guys, you can use this code AR Pro to get extra 20% discount on all the courses of Vedantu. Okay, 20% discount on all the courses of Vedantu on this code. Very good. So let us see. Draw a label diagram of a neuron. And a very easy question. I love this question. So how will you draw? But see, people find it very difficult, but I would say draw like this. C. Draw like this. Buttons like here. The thing is, guys, the key is the more you draw, the more you learn. The more you draw, the more you learn. And there is no perfect perfect diagram. There's nothing called as perfect diagram. What I want all you to do, just draw. Just draw whatever comes to your mind. Just keep drawing. Can you see? I'm just drawing it. Then draw myelin sheath. Yes guys, then the most important part is, guys, labeling. Okay, even if you draw wrong or malab ganda, but the labeling should be very perfect. Labeling mein galat nahi karna chahiye. So let us label it. What is this? This is dendrite. What do we have over here? We have this entire region is called as, guys, cell body. If you can see, cell body mein we have nucleus. Right? Then we have this part, this entire part is called as axon. This region is called as, this entire region is called as axon. Terminal or axon ending. Right guys, so this is there. Then additionally, if you want, you can mark, this is myelin sheath. Myelin. Let me take an eraser. Yes, we have myelin sheath. Then we have the spacing between the two myelin sheath that is called as node of Ranvier. Node of Ranvier. Right guys, so this is how you draw a neuron. Guys, practice more and more and you will be getting there. That is the key to drawing a good diagram. You can see, guys, this does not look like mine, but mine is also good. If you can draw like this is very good. Yes, we have marked everything: dendrite, nucleus, cell body, axon, myelin sheath, nodes of Ranvier, motor end plate, or you can also write as nerve ending also. Very good. Here's the next question. Very good question, guys. Name the following tissues that forms the inner lining of the mouth. What is that, guys? Tell me in the comment box. Yes, I know you would be writing epidermis. Right, epidermis is the lining of the mouth. Connects muscle to a bone. Batao. Yes, guys, can I say tendon? Yes. Tendon connects muscle to a bone. Ligament connects bone to a bone. Then we have transports food in the plant. Oh my god, there's a complex tissue, that is phloem. The one which transports water is xylem. The tissue that stores fat in our body, it's a connective tissue. Tell me in the comment box. Exactly, guys. Adipose tissue. We have adipose tissue, the connective tissue with a fluid matrix. Yes, guys, which is the connective tissue? The fluid. Iska fluid matrix hota hai. Exactly, you can write blood. Blood और lymph भी लिख सकते हो. Present in the brain. Sir, ये तो अभी देखा था हमने. Right, let's write here only neuron. The one which is present in the brain is neuron. Very easy question, guys. So you should remember all these things. As I told you, this is the type of question which will come in the exam. This is what you're supposed to be very thorough with. Yes, guys, as I told you, epithelial tissue is the first answer. Then tendon, then phloem, adipose tissue, blood, and the nervous tissue. Okay, this is the answer. You can verify this also. Moving forward, okay, 11th question on page number 78. Yes, identify the type of tissue in the following. Skin. Skin में क्या होता है बेटा बताओ? Skin में again, what do we have? We have epidermis. We have epidermis in the skin. Bark of a tree. Come on, very easy. Yes, guys, we have sclerenchyma. What do we have? We have sclerenchyma. Then bone. Okay, what's the type of tissue in the following? Bone में कौन सा होता है बेटा? Connective tissue. है ना. बोन में कौन सा होता है, बोन का टिश्यू itself is there, but we can write over here as connective tissue. What we can write over here is connective. We can write as connective tissue. Then lining of the kidney tubules. Yes guys, kidney tubules पे lining में कौन होता है, बहुत amazing सा specific सा question है. We can write epidermis, but what I would suggest you is कि write cuboidal epithelium, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि cuboidal epithelium वहाँ पे होता है. Okay. Right, then present in the vascular bundle, है ना, type of tissue in the vascular bundle. Vascular bundle क्या होता है बेटा, vascularity is anything which helps in transportation. Vascular मतलब होता है pipes. हमारे vascular क्या होते हैं, arteries and veins. Plant में vascular कौन होते हैं, xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem are the vascular bundles. Xylem and phloem, है ना बेटा, these are the vascular bundles over there, right? Very good. Yes guys, so yes we have it over here. Yes, skin, squamous epithelium मैंने बताया था, है ना बेटा. Then back of a tree, cork, basically sclerenchyma होता है. Bone, skeletal tissue or connective tissue also you can write, है ना बेटा. You can write connective tissue also here. Lining of the kidney, I said cuboidal epithelium. Vascular bundle guys, xylem and phloem. आप xylem के parts भी लिख सकते हो. xylem के parts क्या होते हैं, tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem fiber. Similarly, phloem के parts, sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma. These are the answers guys. And yes, teacher, anyone has any questions? Students are like no, and all right, go and get started. And suddenly सारे students teacher को like ma'am बताओ. Yes guys, so I hope this is fun. And yes guys, don't you forget to use this code ARPRO to get extra 20% discount on Vedantu courses. And yes, we will be doing session number 11, in which we'll be solving page number 17 and question number 12 and 13, and also we'll be doing 14 and 15 also. So stay tuned guys, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends, and do let me know in the comment box, was the session helpful, did you like the session, and what you want us to do more, and keep smiling. Bye, have a great day.